We see the main indices stabilizing their prices above their support points. This is a sign that the short-term bearish trend may reverse and the market will continue its mid-term uptrend. There are still some risks, but such a move could confirm the idea that this correction is just a correction in an uptrend. So let's see what to expect next from the market in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. It's a pleasure to see you guys over here. And the SPY is trying to make a bullish reaction today above a crystal clear support level made by the 21-day EMA and the previous top level, which is right now acting as a support level for us here. And here again today, following the principle of polarity in technical analysis. Now, if the SPY loses this key point, okay, probably it is going to frustrate this bullish thesis. We are going to frustrate the idea of a bottom signal, and we could continue the short-term bullish sentiment all the way down to our next support level, which is 576. All right, right now we are making a promising reaction. Okay, it is a promising one. I'm not saying this is a bottom signal confirmed, amazing, incredible signal confirmed, but it is a promising signal. We can use it wisely, especially because we are above a crystal clear support level. Now, the QQQ is also above a support area. It is trading below the 21-day EMA, but apparently this purple trend line connecting the previous support levels, the previous bottom levels since August this year is again acting as a support level for us. If you ask me, the QQQ has to break the $503 in order to materialize a very good, meaningful, bullish confirmation signal suggesting more upside for us. So we have yet to break a few resistance levels, but this reaction is very promising right now so far. It is looking very good. So let's see how the QQQ is going to behave from here. The most important key point is this purple trend line, because by losing this support level, the QQQ will frustrate the bullish sentiment on the daily chart, suggesting a sharper correction to the 485 again. Okay, so let's pay attention to this purple trend line next. Meanwhile, we see Nvidia, which is stabilizing its price, however, it is still below the 21-day EMA. We have a possible trend line over here. It is nothing that clear, maybe from this key point, but this reaction alone is not enough for us to believe that Nvidia will recover and make a very meaningful, amazing bottom signal yet. It is important to see Nvidia closing and breaking and closing above not only the 21-day EMA, but we also have the 144, which is right now a resistance level for us. So this key point is going to be critical for Nvidia as well. Remember, Nvidia will report earnings in 2 days, this Wednesday, so the volatility will certainly spike after earnings. On the weekly chart, we are on the verge of making a top signal, a possible dark cloud cover candlestick pattern over here, but we gotta close below last week's low in order to materialize this candle and trigger a sharper correction on the weekly chart, possibly to the 21-week EMA or maybe even to the 130s over here, all right, which was a previous top level, right now support level for us. Either way, Nvidia is reacting above a support level. It still has a few resistance levels to break, so let's watch these key points very closely from here. Tesla is also quite bullish. It is going up 5.66% today. It looks amazing. Is this a top signal? Maybe it could be. If we see Tesla losing and closing below today's low in the next few days, we could materialize a possible inclined double top chart pattern, or maybe even a possible descending triangle chart pattern. It is another possibility. If we lose today's low, it is gonna also lose the 21-hour EMA, materializing a bearish pivot point on the 1-hour chart as well. So it is very important for us to pay attention to $330.01. That's the most important support level, short-term speaking. We see a possible spinning top candlestick pattern today, just like we saw a spinning top candlestick pattern on November 11 over here. So again, we see this bearish reaction. So we gotta be very careful, because by losing today's low, it is gonna signal a sharper pullback ahead. So $330.01. That's our most important key point. For now, as long as you stay above this support level, well, the bullish bias will just persist, all right? So there is nothing absolutely official over here in this scenario, okay? We still have to break a few resistance levels, a few support levels, not only in Tesla, but also on Nvidia, QQQ, SPY. So it is a critical key point for our stocks. These are the most important support and resistance levels for us to watch from now on. And remember, if you want to have access to more trading ideas and more insights, just take a look at my website, link in this video's description, and join our Telegram channel for more trading information, for more trading strategies, not only in SPY, QQQ, Tesla, Nvidia, but also in other stocks that are outside of everybody else's radars, all right? So just take a look at my website, link in the video's description. AMD is making a bullish reaction above our weekly support line. This is very good. It is a promising signal. However, today we are not showing much strength, all right? I would like to see a better, clearer bullish movement. Yes, we are going up 3% right now, but that's still not enough. AMD is still making lower highs, lower lows. We don't see a crystal clear bullish signal triggered in this area, but we could see in the next few days. Right now, we are not there yet. We are almost there, but not there yet. So let's watch AMD very closely, because this is a critical inflection point for our stock. It is a very meaningful support level. So if we are about to see a bottom signal on AMD, well, now would be the perfect time to do so. Palantir is also dropping today almost 7%, making a bearish reaction. We don't see any meaningful top signal triggered yet, but I do agree that by losing today's low, we could trigger a possible bearish pivot point on the 1-hour chart. Right, it is gonna be quite ugly one, because this could be a top signal on the daily chart suggesting a pullback to where? The 21-day EMA. Palantir could drop more than 10% from here, and that's it. All right. If we see the materialization of this top signal, if Palantir loses today's low, we can expect a pullback at least to the 21-day EMA. However, my friends, so far our stocks are doing very well. Nvidia, SPY, QQQ, they're all trying to make bottom signals near our support levels. These are good signals, but if we lose our critical support levels, this could reverse the midterm trend, and then we're gonna see some bearish move next until we hit our next technical support levels, which I just described to you in this video. Therefore, remember to subscribe this channel, because I'm here every single day talking about SPY, QQQ, Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, Palantir, etc. Every single day talking about many stocks, many trading ideas. I highly appreciate your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.